Welcome back, you guys! Welcome to episode 94 of Subway Surfers.
That's right, Janet, and welcome to the first Subway Surfers video for 2024.
It's actually the first video for 2024.
That's right, from Micro's Gaming. I wonder where we are this time. The North Pole? It's still that time of year, Christmas time? Ooh, red. Season tokens?
Red! Ooh, I love that color!
Alrighty then, check this out. Welcome. I'll claim all these. It is still Christmas time, just like it's Christmas time. It's still Christmas time. That first video I've done for 2023, which was on January 6th of 2023. Almost 1 year ago. Because tomorrow is January 6th. Today it's the first Friday of 2024, January 5th. Alright, Janet, are we ready for this?
Oh boy, we're being chased by a Santa guy.
Good luck, Janet. And we get the jetpack, that's right. Oh, but it looks like daytime to me. Ooh, gingerbread houses. I believe they haven't taken down the Christmas decorations yet, because we probably might still be celebrating the new year of 2024.
That's true. Oh my, the barriers are frozen.
Oh yeah, I do see some ice on them. I've never even seen them like that before.
Presents on the slopes.
Oh, you did not jump, but where is the first letter of the word hunt? Oh, here it is. Better activate the hoverboard in case. Rudy. Who is Rudy on this game? He's not one of Santa's reindeer.
Gingerbread man, run as fast as you can. You won't catch me and the gingerbread girl.
There is also such thing as a gingerbread girl, and there's also this mystery box. Nice. You. I mean, that name also almost sounds similar to Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And we got another mystery box. D. Now, we just need to find the Y.
Why?
Magnet. We can collect all these coins now.
Yay!
Yes. Another gingerbread man.
Run as fast as you can.
Why? Word hunt's been completed.
You can't catch me and the gingerbread girl.
You really like that name, gingerbread girl. I was just wondering what would happen if there's that cliffside there, if it's possible, because it doesn't look like there's a wall there. There's another star. Another gingerbread man.
Run as fast as I can. You won't catch me. I'm the gingerbread girl.
Of course, I like that singing every time we collect a gingerbread man here, which we have 3 of them. Oh, Jingle Bells is playing. I'll grab these. Okay.
That's enough for now.
Let's see what we got. A score booster.
3 of them. 3 score boosters.
And this one's got...
5 hoverboards.
And this one's got...
500 coins.
500 coins is right.
Avron, scene 1, take 1.
Rowing is boring and hard.
Top run. Season quest completed. Nice. Alright then. Let's see. No floor challenge with the robot. Xmas challenge. Well, what's the Xmas challenge about? Okay. Then.
We're going so slow.
I know. When are we ever gonna find any more?
Gingerbread Man! I want to sing the Gingerbread Man song again!
You mean the Gingerbread Girl song? I don't even know if there are any gingerbread. Gingerbread! Oh, sorry, I can't collect that hourglass right now. I had to collect that gingerbread man so Janet can sing.
Run! Run! As fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the Gingerbread Man!
I thought so. Wow, everything's so slow. Okay, let's collect this hourglass. There. That's 10 bonus seconds for us. Whoa! And I'll grab another one of these because we're really running out of time. 20 seconds left here. Not unless we collect another hourglass. And a mystery box too.
Come on, I want another Gingerbread Man!
Okay, save me. I suppose I'll just use the hoverboard. Are you done? Oh yeah, the jetpack stops the time. And voila, Xmas challenge has been completed. With only 16 seconds left on that clock. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Don't worry, I saved us all.
Alright, we got a magnet!
Saved time again. Uh-oh. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh no.
It's a good thing there wasn't another Gingerbread Man there.
No. Alright, let's see what we got. 3 more of Tricky's hats.
Avron, scene 1, take 1.
Rowing is boring and hard,
Oh,
but it's an
this again.
efficient workout that uses 86.
Now we could claim the reward. Now, the actual daily rewards from our run are right here. There we go. I'm gonna need another one. It's Migration! Oh, of course, that's the new Illumination movie that came out 2 weeks ago on December 22nd of 2023. And they've actually got that movie trailer up here too. In theaters now. Thank you for watching. Dun 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 dun. Dun. No thanks. That'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more.
Bye bye! And Happy New Year!